Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find friends on the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Facebook app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Then under this section we have find friends. Tap on this, and then here we have a list of people that we have at least one mutual friend with. So we can check this list out and make, like, for example, if you have someone who we know but don't have as a friend on Facebook, we can add them here. Or we can turn on contact uploading to find friends, which means that the app is going to connect to the phone numbers that we have and then give us recommendations based on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.